वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का वीडियो होने वाला है वैलेंटाइन लुक पे। दिस इज हाउ आई क्रिएटेड द वैलेंटाइन लुक राइट हियर विद यूजिंग ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच इज मच मोर अफोर्डेबल एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली रिक्रिएट दिस लुक। इफ यू वांट टू नो हाउ आई क्रिएटेड दिस लुक विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर ऑफ योर टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. We are gonna begin with a moisturizing serum on my face first, because as you can clearly see my face is super flat at the moment and I really want a dewy makeup on my face for the Valentine. So for that I'm gonna be using this Color Bar serum, which is a dry cellular serum. I like to use this with makeup or like a before makeup. I would say it's really nice, and it's calming at the same time. It smells some essential oil, so it must have some essential oil, I don't know, but it smells really nice. It does not give me that oily patch on my face before makeup, which is like a heavy duty oil gives, but it's good. For the primer, I'll be using the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. This has been recent discovery of mine and I really like it. It helps to blur out the pores which I have on my face. So it's quite expensive. It's not exactly affordable, I will say, but yeah, it works well for me, at least as of now. So I'm just gonna take little bit, warm it up on my hands and just put it on the face like so, on my T-zone and wherever I have a pose, like mostly. I just do not want to make it like blurry effect all over my face. I just want to make it on my cheeks and my T-zone. So apply where it's needed. For the foundation today, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Illuminating Foundation. This is a dewy foundation. I'll be taking 1.5 pump of it, not much. I do not like to go overboard with my foundation. I like to build it up as I go. So for the foundation brush, I'll be using this Cuffs and Lashes F013. I'll be taking little on my face and just tap it. I'll be looking over here more because I have my mirror there. Is very, do not forget to apply this on your neck. I'm not even used half of it and it have covered almost all my face. I don't know it's a brush or the foundation is good. So for the powder, I'll be using the K by Katrina powder in the almond. It's superly fine powder. I really like it. In a 1-5 application, it really clear out the whole face, as like a blurred out basically. So I'll be using that. I do not like to apply it all over my face because I like to keep it dewy. Next up is eyebrows, guys. So for the eyebrows, I'll be using this Etude House eyebrow pencil in the dark brown. I have recently purchased this. I have not given it a fair chance to use around it. I'm just giving it a basic stroke, like following my natural hairline, not so fancy. You can see how the eyebrows is one eyebrow is making difference to my face clearly. Comes with the spoolie at the other end, which is plus. You can basically spoolie it out whatever the extra hair you have. It helps you to like deposit the product very nice. Next up, I like to go with the eyebrow mascara. It's a very optional step. You can definitely skip it, but I have a habit of using this mascara, so I'm using it. This is a NYX mascara in the Espresso. This is the eyebrow mascara. It comes in a 2 to 3 different shades as per your hair color. It helps you to give the eyebrows that bushy effect, which I really like. Moving on to the eyeshadows. Basically, I am not gonna do very fancy eyeshadow. I want to keep this look very much relatable for you guys. So I want to go with the 1 or 2 matte shadow. That's it. For the eyeshadow, today I'll be using the Huda Beauty palette. You can definitely use any palette of your choice or liking, but I have this palette and I wanted to try this for so long on a camera, so that's why to start off with, I'm gonna use this brown shade right here. You can definitely use any sort of a brown you own in the crease. I'm going really light. Just blend it on your crease really nicely, guys. You can see basically I've used the brown shade on both of my eyes and it is giving my eyes a definition. I can literally go like this. I am that person. I do not like to go over the board for the date night specifically, but yeah, for today's look I'm gonna go a little extra. I'll be using this Hina shade from right here. This is a rusty orange shade. You can definitely find the same shade in any one of the palettes which you own. So this shade on upper of my lid. So give this sweet little time to blend eyeshadow, but do not over blend it so it will be like just vanish from your. I'll be using the shade Man Eater. This Man Eater, this is like plumpy sort of a color. I really like those sort of a shades on Indian skin tone. It works out really well. It complements our Indian Asian skin tone. I'm gonna place this color on the outer V of your eye basically. A new brush and deposit the color on outer V. Obviously I'm gonna use the same color on my lower lash line to give the whole vibe together. Finish off this look by the liner. I'm not gonna do anything super heavy wing. I'm gonna do the basic wing. I will be using the Epic ink by NYX for the eyeliner, guys. It's a very easy to draw. Nothing. I'm gonna just grab the mirror and do the liner very quick. You can see I have drawn a very soft wing. I'm just gonna do the same on my other and I'll be right back. Finish off the eye look. Finally, I am just gonna use the mascara. Today I'll be using the Warrior Mascara by Flower Beauty. This is also one of the recent purchase, but I am really happy the how it looks on me. I'm just gonna curl my lashes first, guys. Give a good 1 or 2 coats. Do not forget the lower lash line, guys, otherwise it looks really weird that the lower lash line does not have any coat whatsoever. I'm gonna just dust off simply the excess powder which I have on my face. Okay. Next I'll be using the blush. Today I'll be using the Sugar blush in the shade Salmon Superstar. It's a very nice, mauvey, peachy sort of coral vibe. I'm just gonna grab the big fat brush and give it a swirl. So it's a pretty pigmented blush, but it's not overly pigmented. That's what I like about the blush. I like to go like this till my temple, otherwise it looks super weird. It does not look like put together. At least for me, I do like that way. After the blush, I'll be using the bronzer to warm up my face a little bit. So I'll be using the Kiko bronzer in the number 06. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of bronzer and warm up my face, because We need that dewy effect, you know. Remember, you must be bored of. I'm just gonna use it on my temple. Very little on my nose. Like, I do not like to do a nose contour at all, but today we are going extra. For the lips today, guys, I'll be using the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic. I have been using this since I think 2 to 3 years now. This is my third tube, which says a lot because I think this color suits me way too much, and this is a very close dupe of Driver Seat. This is such a comforting formula, guys. I really love this one. To give the lip a juicy and gloss look, I'll be using the Nykaa gloss in the Honey Boo shade. You can clearly see I've been using it a lot. ये बहुत ही मतलब time हो गया हमको लिए हुए, but it does not last. Last step, I want to fix my makeup with this PAC Micro Finish setting spray. I'll be using this all over my face. Keep a good distance from your face. काफी फाइन मिस्ट है इसका, बिल्कुल इरिटेट नहीं करता आपके स्किन को. I like to use the highlighter after using the mist on my face. For the highlighter today, I'll be using the K by Katrina highlighter in the Frosted Eyes. This is a very different highlighter, I would say, because it does not have the basic golden shimmer in it, which is in most of the highlighter. This have the purple sort of a shimmer in it. That's what I like. I'll be taking this tapered sort of a brush. I like those brushes. I'm gonna just take a little bit of highlighter, not lot, and I'll be placing it here. On my cupid's bow, on my nose, on my highest points of my face, all actually. I'm gonna take the detail brush like so, and I'm gonna use the highlighter on inner corner of my eyes. It just open up your eyes way too much, and I like the vibe of it. मतलब कोई भी highlighter होता है, जो भी highlighter मैं वो डे का use करती हूँ. So I like to use it on inner corner of my eyes. It's really nice. See, it instantly give me that pop on my eyes. This is how the final look looks like, guys. You can see the makeup is quite simple. I have done it literally in 15 minutes. Nothing much, but you can easily recreate it. If you want me to do a extra version of this, so please let me know. I will definitely post this video super soon. This is how it looks like on me. You can definitely see how I'm looking.